Hello students. Now in the company final account, let's start with the first illustration, right? In the company final account, we have to follow that format only. In that format, all the main titles are given, and in main titles, what the subheads that will come, that is given here in this illustration number 1. Now first of all, we read the illustration 1, that how will you show following balances in balance sheet of a company as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. So all these balances are given, and that is given in this format wise. Particulars, that means balances are given, then balance sheet head is given, whether it is come in asset or whether that is come in liability, then main head and then subhead, right? If you have learned that statement of balance sheet and statement of P&L, then it will be easy for you to understand. First of all, share capital is given. Now that is come in the balance sheet head, equity and liability side under the shareholders fund, and in that share capital we have to write down. Call scenarios, equity and liability, shareholders fund deducted from share capital. We have to subtract these call scenarios from this share capital. Then forfeited shares account, if this is given in the sum, then that is to be written under the head of equity and liability. Then main head, that is shareholders fund. See, this is the format of balance sheet. Main head, equity and liability, then head, that is shareholders fund, and this is subhead. So we have to write down that forfeited share account, then call scenarios and share capital under this head, share capital, right? The next one, that is calls in advance, that also we write down equity and under the balance sheet head, equity and liability, main head current liabilities and other current liabilities. तो देखो कॉल्स इन एडवांस हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे करंट लायबिलिटीज, उसमें अदर करंट लायबिलिटीज, ये लिखने के बाद हम कॉल्स इन एडवांस लिखेंगे. Then the next one, that is subscription premium, that we write down under the balance sheet head, equity and liability, shareholders fund, that is main head, and reserves and surplus. In the reserves and surplus we write down. Now see here, reserves and surplus, इक्विटी लायबिलिटी लिखेंगे, शेयर होल्डर्स फंड लिखेंगे, इसके बाद में शेयर कैपिटल के सारे सब हेड्स लिखने के बाद हम रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस लिखेंगे, और रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस में हम लिखेंगे सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम, राइट. देन आफ्टर जनरल रिजर्व, अभी आपको समझ में आ गया होगा दैट हाउ टू राइट डाउन ऑल दिस बैलेंसेस इनटू द statement of balance sheet of company final account. General reserve, equity and liability, shareholders fund, reserve and surplus, debentures, equity and liability, non-current liability, long-term borrowings, creditors, equity and liability, current liability, trade payables, loss as per statement of profit and loss, equity and liability, shareholders fund, reserves and surplus, and then last one, that is public deposit, equity and liability, balance sheet head, non-current liabilities, and in that long-term borrowings. All the balances are given of that equity and liabilities only. So you have to learn like this only. Then share capital, equity and liability, main head, shareholders fund, sub head, share capital. इसी तरह से आपको लर्न करना है. Illustration 2 now, that how will you show following balances in the balance sheet of a company as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Now see balances. In that first one, proposed dividend. If proposed dividend is given in the sum, so that we write down under the balance sheet head, equity and liability, then main head current liability, sub head short-term provisions. Unclaimed dividend, equity and liability, current liability, other current liability. Then after bond, equity and liability, non-current liability, long-term borrowings. Then bills payable, equity and liability, current liability, trade payables. Debenture redemption reserve, equity and liability, shareholders fund, reserves and surplus. Term loan, equity and liability, non-current liability, long-term borrowings. Reserve fund, equity and liability, shareholders fund, reserves and surplus. Then after advance received from customers, equity and liability, current liability, other current liabilities, outstanding interest on debentures, equity and liability, current liability, other current liabilities, bank overdraft, equity and liability, current liability, and short-term borrowings, right? So this is how we can solve these balances, that where it come under the head. Now let's see that illustration number 6. Following balances are taken from the books of Kuber Limited as on 31st/3/17. State how these balances will be shown as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. All these balances are given and a table format that is given. See, particulars, balance sheet head, main head and subhead. Now see, in that first of all, land and building. So land and building comes under the head of assets, non-current assets and fixed assets tangible. तो देखो ये है non-current assets लिखेंगे पहले, then A fixed assets and then लिखेंगे tangible में tangible लिखेंगे फर्स्ट एंड देन आफ्टर इसमें अगेन एरो करके लिखेंगे लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग. तो ये 3 लिखेंगे पहले, 3 हेड्स, उसके बाद में लिखेंगे हम लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग. देन आफ्टर शेयर ऑफ सब्सिडरी एसेट्स एंड नॉन करंट एसेट्स, नॉन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो कहाँ लिखेंगे? नॉन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट इज हियर, नॉन करंट. So after recording tangible assets, intangible assets, B is non-current investment. Now we give title of non-current investment. In that we write down by making arrow that share of subsidiary, right? Okay. Debtors, asset side, current assets, trade receivables. So current assets is after recording all this. Now we give second title current assets. In that first one is over, second one is over, third one is over, then we write down trade receivables. In that we write down by making arrow debtors. Closing stock, inventories, current assets, short-term investments, asset, current investment. Bank balance, asset, current asset, cash and equivalents. Then after goodwill, asset, non-current assets, fixed assets, intangible. Furniture, asset, non-current asset, fixed assets, tangible. Then custom deposit, asset, non-current asset, long-term loans and advances. Trademarks, trademark, asset, non-current assets, fixed assets, intangible. Prepaid insurance premium, asset, current assets, other current investment. Bills receivable, asset, current asset, trade receivables. Stores and spares parts, asset, current asset, inventories. In the inventories we record. Then after loans to employee, asset, non-current asset, long-term loans and advances. Government security, asset, current investment. Prepaid taxes, asset, current asset, and then other current assets. Fixed deposit with bank, asset, non-current investment. Then after loose tools, asset, current asset, inventories. Loan to director, asset, current asset, short-term loans and advances. Then loan to director, asset, current asset, short-term loans and advances. Then after investment in PF, asset, non-current asset and non-current investment, right? So this is how you have to learn all these balances of company final account, that where it come under the which head. So write down this all illustration number 1, 2 and 6 in your notebook and learn this properly, and then after we start solving the sum, right? Okay, so see you in the next video.